Hi everyone, here I've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Here you have to choose the video mode if you have been on a photo. So choose the video mode and choose the settings, which should be on the right upper corner. And here we've got the video size. And now, as you can see, we've got options to choose from. Let me pick this one. Let's get back. And actually, from now on, you will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how you change video quality in MEIZU 16th. And if you find that this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.